It's understandable that you are feeling burnt out from the fast-paced, demanding nature of construction work. The long commute also adds to the stress. The decision to explore maintenance jobs with closer proximity is a reasonable one. A shorter commute will save significant time, money, and stress on transportation. Maintenance jobs typically involve a more predictable and stable work schedule, reducing the need for overtime or long hours. With less travel and a more structured work schedule, there will be more time for personal life, hobbies, and family. Maintenance jobs can provide opportunities for career advancement and specialized training within a facility or organization. Maintenance jobs often pay less than construction jobs due to the reduced risk and less specialized skills required. Maintenance work can be repetitive and focused on specific tasks, which may limit exposure to different construction aspects. Maintenance positions may have more limited growth opportunities compared to construction jobs that involve more complex projects and technical skills. To find a maintenance job, firstly, reach out to local businesses, property management companies, and organizations that maintain facilities or equipment. Secondly, search for maintenance jobs on websites. Thirdly, join a trade union that represents maintenance workers, as they often have access to exclusive job opportunities. Fourthly, check with local educational institutions for job training programs and placement services. The decision to transition from construction to maintenance work is a personal one that depends on individual priorities and circumstances. While there may be some salary sacrifice, there will be significant benefits in terms of reduced commute, improved work-life balance, and the opportunity for advancement within a facility or organization.